Hey there, Rhonda Schaefer here, hailing from the historic Erie Canal area near Fairport, New York. Thank you for watching this video today, which is day 5 of the series 10 Days and 10 Struggles for New Affiliate Marketers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I go live and create valuable content just like this for you. The 5th struggle for new affiliate marketers is jumping ahead of training and getting overwhelmed with list building, which is a learned skill set. In training, each module has a purpose, and that purpose is to build upon what you learned in the previous module. I talked about that in an earlier video. It does resemble a building block activity. Think of it that way. And I know you want to jump ahead and get things going as fast as you can. It's normal to think that when you're new, and it does not work. That mindset will cost you more time, and you will end up spending more money than you need to. So, getting back to list building, you need to develop the best practice skill set to maximize both your valuable time and hard-earned money wisely. It is essential that everything you do is shaped around generating leads. Know that there are many different platforms available for you to generate leads. They include things like places like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, solo ads, Pinterest, Google, and more. Find out which one will work best for you. For beginners, I recommend you pick only one to master first, then learn it, study it, test it again and again. Get so proficient and focused that you are having dreams about how you can get even better so you don't get confused and overwhelmed. A worthwhile course and community will help you with this because they want to see you succeed and live the lifestyle that you dream of. So with that being said, this is Rhonda coming from live from the historic Erie Canal area near Fairport, New York. I want to thank you for watching this video today and hope to see you tomorrow, day 6. Meanwhile, click on the link below this video so you can get some free information online about affiliate marketing. Good day.